I chose the Power Sports and Marine Technology program because I always enjoyed fixing things and I love being on the water, so I wanted to be fixing boats.
This is kind of what I've been into my whole life. I really enjoy working on stuff, finding the problem, fixing it.
I just love working on engines. I get out of bed because I know I'm going to learn something new every day. I'm going to tear down something new. I'm going to tear down a power head, tear down a lower unit. You just never know what's going to come through the door.
We always had ATVs, Rangers, four-wheelers everywhere we went on the farm, and they broke down a lot. So I thought that if I could come to school, learn how to fix them, and then be able to go back to the farm and fix them myself, it'd save the farm a lot of money and a lot of time so we could keep producing at a higher rate.
You get real-world experience with the customers.
We get to work right with the customer, and then we get to do diagnostics on it. We find the problem, fix it, and that involves a lot of tearing things apart, putting them back together.
I really enjoy the whole having to find the problem and then fix the problem. It's a different challenge every day, something different, new problems.
What makes it fun for me coming to school every day is getting the opportunity to work with industry-grade professionals and working on boats that I'll be using later in my career.
The tools at Mitchell Tech are just a lot more advanced than I expected when I came here. It's kind of nice and neat to see all the advanced technology.
I chose to come to Mitchell Tech because I heard a lot of good things about the program.
I felt Mitchell Tech had the best campus and the best teachers, and we're also the only school in the state to offer this program.
Be the best at Mitchell Tech.